Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beautiful Trains. So in today's video I will be sharing with you very beautiful love image and love photo which you can easily use as a WhatsApp profile picture, so wallpaper and background. So watch this video till end. Don't skip this video, and if you like this video then please give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more new latest video updates. So friends, now enjoy this video, and if you have any queries and suggestion then please share with me in comment box. So friends, I hope this video will helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching this video till end. Bye, take care and stay safe.